How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set passwords on Cisco router in Packet Tracer. So basically, first things first, we are going to add our router into our workspace right here. Now, of course, if you want to add all sorts of connection, you could simply do so. But in my case, I'm going to be using this wireless connection. And I'm going to use two devices. Let's do it the simple way, which is adding two computers. And then first things first, you want to click on your wireless router, click on configure, or I mean just click on GUI. And then from here, click on setup, navigate through your IP addresses, and just make sure that it is set correctly. So as of the moment, it is set to 192.168.0.1, and make sure that the DHCP server is disabled. Click on save changes. And now let's head to the setting of password part. It's inside wireless. Click on wireless security. And then we want to use something like WEP. So if we do something like this secret convoy mission, we have funds to back it up. And here you then want to type your favorite passwords. So in my case, I'm going to be using 10.1. Scroll down, click on save changes. And basically there we have it. You have successfully set up your passwords on Cisco Packet Tracer. So the only thing left to do now is to change the connection type of our device. And then let's navigate through desktop, click on PC wireless, and then we can simply see that right here. Of course, before you do this, you also want to type in the passwords that you have made. And that should be it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.